Hey, this is Ryan from Foxtecc, and today I'm going to show you how to merge your iPhone with your iPad. Let's dive right in. There are a lot of different things you might want to merge between your iPhone and iPad. Things like files, contacts, phone calls, and messages. I'm going to walk you through everything you need to make that happen. First off, make sure that both your iPhone and iPad are signed in with the same Apple ID. This is crucial because it's what allows iCloud to sync all your information across devices. Once you've checked that, make sure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are enabled on both devices. You'll need those for seamless connection and synchronization. Now, go into Settings on both your iPhone and iPad. At the top, tap your name and go into the iCloud section. Here, you'll see a list of Apple apps that can be synced through iCloud. Apps like Photos, Contacts, Notes, and more. Make sure that syncing is enabled for all the apps you want to merge between your devices. You'll need to do this on both your iPhone and iPad, ensuring the same apps are toggled on. This will make sure your photos, contacts, notes, and other information are merged and kept in sync between the two devices. Next, let's talk about phone calls. If you want to receive phone calls on your iPad, go to Settings on your iPhone and tap on Phone. From there, go to Calls on Other Devices and turn on Allow Calls on Other Devices. Make sure your iPad is selected from the list of devices. Then, head over to your iPad's settings, tap on FaceTime, and toggle on Calls from iPhone. This will allow your iPad to receive calls from your iPhone. Finally, if you want to continue tasks between your iPhone and iPad seamlessly, like switching from one device to the other while browsing or writing emails, you can use a feature called Handoff. To enable it, go to Settings, General, AirPlay and Handoff on both devices and toggle Handoff on. This will allow you to pick up right where you left off on either device. And that's it. Thanks for watching. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tech tips. See you later.